Hey everyone, this oven has a hidden gem you won't want to miss. Today, we're checking out the Whirlpool WFG320 Gas Range, standing 47 inches tall, 30 inches wide, and 28 inches deep. The cooktop has a 4-burner setup. This model has a dual-function gas valve that controls the natural gas flow to the cooktop, burners, and oven. When the bake igniter reaches the right temperature, signals the gas valve to open, providing gas for cooking. At the core of the range is a control board that is both the user interface and the relay board, which manages oven functions, temperature adjustment, and ignition processes. It communicates with components like the igniter, the gas valve, and the light bulb. The temperature sensor monitors the internal heat and signals the control board to maintain the desired cooking temperature. It has a spark module that gives each burner its own spark plug. Here's the big reveal. The oven, there's just one igniter that can do both baking and broiling. Normal fiddling with multiple igniters. It's a breeze to use, and guess what? The broil drawer is right below the bake igniter, so you get direct heat from below. It's ideal for broiling your favorite food while baking your other favorite food. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and ring that notification bell for more videos like this.